The world is shifting fast, and nowhere is that more obvious than in China. It's not just economic growth anymore, it's a technological revolution, with advancements that leapfrog the West in some areas. The old story, America innovates, China manufactures, is being rewritten. From Shenzhen's tech hubs to Xiang'an's futuristic cityscapes, China is pushing intelligent machines, smart cities and supercars onto the global stage. Today we'll dive into 3 areas where China is making waves: humanoid robots, smart cities, and high-performance supercars. Let's get into it. Humanoid robots once seemed like science fiction, the stuff of futuristic movies and wild imaginations. For decades, the idea of lifelike androids walking among us was confined to the pages of novels and the screens of Hollywood blockbusters. But today, that vision is rapidly becoming reality, and nowhere is this transformation more dramatic than in China. In the last few years, China has emerged as a powerhouse in robotics, accelerating development at a pace that has stunned the world. What once seemed impossible is now unfolding in research labs and factories across the country. Companies like Unitree Robotics have unveiled robots like the H1, agile, dexterous, and affordable, challenging Western leaders at a fraction of the cost. The H1 isn't just a technical marvel, it's a signal that China is ready to compete on the global stage, offering advanced robotics not just for show but for real-world deployment. Unlike the West's focus on viral stunts and headline-grabbing demonstrations, China's robots are designed for practical, everyday use. They're being built to handle the tough, repetitive, and sometimes dangerous jobs that keep the world running: factory work, logistics, elder care, and disaster response. These machines are stepping into roles that are increasingly difficult for humans to fill, especially as populations age and labor shortages grow. Fourier Intelligence's GR1 is already being tested in medical rehab and elder assistance, providing support to patients and caregivers alike. The GR1 is more than a prototype, it's a glimpse into a future where robots are essential partners in healthcare. These robots are showing how technology can address demographic challenges, such as a rapidly aging society and the need for more efficient healthcare solutions. By taking on physically demanding or repetitive tasks, they free up human workers to focus on care and connection. This remarkable progress is powered by massive government investment, fierce competition among startups and established firms, and a national vision that places robotics at the heart of China's future. Billions of dollars are being funneled into research, development, and deployment, creating an environment where innovation thrives. China's manufacturing ecosystem is uniquely suited to robotics. Prototypes can be turned into finished products at lightning speed, thanks to a vast network of suppliers, engineers, and factories. This allows Chinese companies to iterate quickly, bringing new ideas to market in record time. Chinese robots now perform adaptive, real-time tasks, tending plants in greenhouses, assembling products on factory floors, and even working side by side with human colleagues. Their ability to learn and adapt is improving rapidly, making them more useful and versatile every year. The old narrative that China lagged in AI and software is fading. Their researchers are now global leaders in machine learning and robotics. Chinese universities and tech companies are producing breakthroughs that are shaping the future of artificial intelligence and automation. These robots are part of a much larger ecosystem, integrated with smart devices, city networks, and the digital infrastructure that powers modern life. In China's rapidly growing smart cities, robots are becoming a seamless part of daily routines, from transportation to public safety. Automated systems, all coordinated by powerful AI, are making cities more efficient, safer, and more responsive to the needs of their citizens. The integration of robotics and AI is creating urban environments that are truly intelligent. The pace is relentless. New models and upgrades appear in months, not years, driven by intense domestic competition and a culture that prizes rapid progress. Every innovation pushes the industry forward, setting new standards for what robots can do. Each robot is a symbol of national strategy and ambition, not just clever engineering. For China, robotics is about more than technology. It's about securing a leading role in the industries of tomorrow and shaping the future of work, society, and even global power. The global tech landscape is being redrawn, and China is positioning itself as a leader in the coming robotic revolution. As these machines become more capable and widespread, the balance of technological power is shifting. The world is watching, and racing to keep up. As China's androids rise, the next chapter in the story of robotics is being written right now, and its impact will be felt across the globe for generations to come. China's smart cities are redefining urban life, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in the modern world. These cities are not just about tall buildings and dazzling skylines. They represent a new era where technology, data, and human experience are seamlessly woven together. Built from scratch, these urban centers are designed with digital and physical infrastructure intertwined from the very beginning. Fiber optic cables snake beneath the streets, connecting every corner to a vast digital nervous system. Sensors, cameras, and smart devices are embedded in the very fabric of the city, creating a living, breathing network that responds in real time. Xiong'an New Area is a prime example, a city envisioned as a digital twin, where every street, building, and utility is equipped with sensors. These devices constantly feed data into a virtual replica of the city, allowing planners to monitor, simulate, and optimize urban life as it unfolds. Planners and engineers use this data to optimize everything from traffic flow and energy consumption to emergency response and public safety. Problems can be anticipated and solved before they even arise, making the city more resilient and efficient. In Hangzhou, Alibaba's City Brain platform harnesses the power of artificial intelligence to cut congestion, reduce accidents, and dispatch emergency services instantly. The system analyzes millions of data points every second, making split-second decisions that keep the city running smoothly. Unlike the West's patchwork upgrades, China's cities are conceived as integrated systems from the ground up. Transport, energy, water, and public services are all connected, allowing for seamless coordination and rapid adaptation to changing needs. This brings unprecedented efficiency and sustainability, but it also raises important questions about privacy, surveillance, and the balance between convenience and personal freedom. The same systems that make life easier can also track every movement, every transaction, and every interaction. Facial recognition payments, delivery drones, and a web of sensors turn the city itself into an intelligent interface, one that anticipates residents' needs, automates daily routines, and even predicts potential issues before they occur. Massive government investment and long-term planning make these ambitious projects possible. With a top-down approach, China can roll out new infrastructure at a pace and scale unmatched by most countries, transforming entire regions in just a few years. Roads in Xiong'an are built specifically for autonomous vehicles, with embedded technology that communicates directly with cars. This infrastructure not only supports self-driving vehicles but also enables real-time traffic management and safer streets. China's clean slate approach allows it to leapfrog outdated technology, creating hyper-efficient, adaptive cities that can evolve as new innovations emerge. These cities are designed to be flexible, scalable, and ready for the challenges of the future. These living laboratories are setting new global standards, attracting international attention, and forcing the world to rethink what a city can be. Urban planners, technologists, and policymakers from around the globe are watching closely, eager to learn from China's bold experiment. The experiment is underway, and the world is taking notes. As China's smart cities continue to evolve, they offer a glimpse into the future of urban living, where technology and humanity are more closely connected than ever before. China is shaking up the supercar world, once dominated by Europe and America, with a new breed of electric performance machines. In just a few short years, Chinese automakers have gone from being industry outsiders to headline makers, capturing the attention of car enthusiasts and industry veterans alike. The streets of Shanghai and Beijing are now home to some of the most advanced, eye-catching supercars on the planet, signaling a dramatic shift in the global automotive landscape. The Yangwang U9 from BYD boasts over 1,100 horsepower, a 2-second 0-60 time, and a suspension system that lets it jump. This is no imitation. With its bold styling and jaw-dropping performance, the U9 is a statement of intent from China's largest automaker. It's not just about raw speed. The U9's advanced technology, from its active suspension to its cutting-edge battery management, puts it at the forefront of electric vehicle innovation. This car is a showcase of what's possible when ambition meets engineering excellence. The Hi-Fi A, with nearly 1,300 horsepower and futuristic design, shows China isn't copying, it's setting trends. Its dramatic lines, innovative lighting, and high-tech interior are turning heads at international auto shows. The Hi-Fi A is packed with features like AI-powered controls and customizable driving modes, blending luxury with next-level performance. It's a clear signal that Chinese brands are not just following global trends, They're leading them, redefining what a supercar can be in the electric age. These cars are possible because China dominates the battery supply chain, giving its automakers a huge edge in cost and technology. From raw materials to finished battery packs, China controls every step, allowing for rapid innovation and lower prices. This vertical integration means Chinese supercars can push the limits of range and performance while keeping costs competitive. It's a strategic advantage that's reshaping the global auto industry. A tech-savvy domestic market fuels rapid innovation and bold design, while homegrown designers create a unique Chinese automotive identity. Young engineers and designers are encouraged to experiment, resulting in cars that blend Eastern aesthetics with global appeal. The energy in China's automotive studios is palpable, as teams race to outdo each other with new ideas and breakthrough technologies. This creative environment is producing vehicles that are as distinctive as they are advanced. The Neo EP9's record-setting Nürburgring lap proved Chinese engineering can compete with the world's best. With a time that stunned the motorsport community, the EP9 demonstrated that Chinese supercars are not just about straight-line speed. They can handle the toughest tracks on the planet. This achievement has inspired a new generation of Chinese automakers to aim even higher, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in electric performance. For traditional automakers, this is a wake-up call. China is now a serious contender in high-performance vehicles. The established giants of Europe and America are watching closely, as Chinese brands rapidly close the gap in technology, design, and desirability. The competition is fiercer than ever, and the old guard can no longer afford to ignore the rise of China's automotive powerhouses. Supercars are halo products, showcasing technological prowess and building global brand image. For Chinese automakers, these vehicles are more than just machines. They're symbols of national pride and ambition. Each new model is a rolling billboard for China's capabilities, attracting attention from buyers and investors around the world. The excitement at auto shows is electric, as crowds gather to see the latest breakthroughs up close. These electric supercars are the result of a decade of strategic investment and supply chain control. Chinese companies have poured billions into research, development, and infrastructure, laying the groundwork for today's breakthroughs. The result is a new generation of vehicles that combine speed, style, and sustainability in ways that were unimaginable just a few years ago. China is ready to challenge the old guard and define the future of automotive performance. The revolution is rolling, fast. As these supercars hit the roads and racetracks of the world, one thing is clear: the era of Chinese dominance in high-performance electric vehicles has only just begun. Humanoid robots, smart cities and supercars, this isn't random. It's a coordinated vision executed at breathtaking speed. The shock in America isn't about one product, but the realization that global tech leadership is up for grabs. Made in China is becoming designed and innovated in China. This is both a challenge and an opportunity to compete, collaborate, and learn from a new approach. The race to the future is on, and China is a powerful new contender. The dragon's roar is echoing worldwide. Welcome to the new era.